back, my friends. This is Lindsay, and I am back with another daily work from home job lead for you. This one is going to be for those of you who don't mind customer service and don't mind being on the phone. I know a lot of you are looking for non-phone jobs, but I have seen in the comments where some people do like a customer service, so this one is for you. Of course, the links to all the pages I share are always directly linked in the YouTube description box below this video, and I do just ask that if you enjoy this job lead, give me that direct feedback by giving this video a thumbs up like button. And of course, share with all your friends and family so we can all work from home, living our happiest, healthiest life. You may have heard of HomeChef before. They are a meal delivery kit that delivers like fresh meals and the ingredients to your door so that you can have all that on hand to cook from. I think they give you like recipe cards and things like that. I did not know this. They are a part of Kroger grocery stores, but they do have a 256 reviews on Glassdoor with a 3.6 out of 5-star rating. They are hiring a customer experience associate. Now, it does say this is remote, and they are looking for somebody specifically to work Tuesday to Saturday, 10 a.m. to 6:30 p.m. Central Standard Time schedule. So if you're outside of that time zone, you'll have to convert your hours to see if that'll work for you. And this is going to require you working on Saturdays. But if you're okay with that, they're looking for somebody to basically be responsible for handling all their customer issues, such as making account updates, assisting with the platform, and documenting any incidents through their live support channels. So you're going to assist these customers through multiple channels, including voice, email, and chat. You'll address and solve user issues through these channels while maintaining and exceeding your KPIs that you've been giving. You'll build connections and trust with these customers, making them loyal customers, and you'll calmly and professionally handle all of their concerns, getting them a resolution as quickly as possible. So just straight customer service. Now, they are not requiring any kind of college degree, just a high school diploma or GED, and they do prefer somebody who has 1 year of customer service experience, but that is not required. What is required is that you do have customer service skills. You can be empathetic, courtesy, and kind. They want somebody who can be tech savvy, working with computer systems, navigating all kinds of online tools like Zendesk or Google Suite, someone who has great writing skills with spelling and grammar, and someone who can be a problem solver. Now, I don't understand why they always print pay so tiny in these job descriptions, but salary is $17.50 an hour. They do say you have opportunities for bonus, and they do offer a standard benefit package that includes medical, dental, vision, 401k, and paid time off. All right, if you've made it to the end of this video, I want to say thank you so much for watching and supporting me. As always, please feel free to leave in the comments anything specific that you're looking for. I do read those and keep that in mind when I'm out there searching for job leads to share. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up like button if you enjoyed it. Share with all your friends and family, and I'll be back really soon with more work from home job leads just for you.